Let us now look at example 1.2. In example 1.2, you are given a model of an atom in which two electrons move around the nucleus in a circular orbit. You are told that the electrons complete one full orbit in 1.0 times 10 to the power minus 15 seconds. So since this is one full orbit in this particular point, we know that this corresponds to the period. So you are asked to find what is the current that's caused by the motion of the electrons in the orbit. Now recall that the current is actually the charge passing through per unit time. So what we need to do is we need to choose a point of interest. So what we can do is choose a point of interest, for example point P, and consider what is the total amount of charge that passes through per unit time. So for the electron at A, suppose it takes one round around and it comes back again, the total amount of charge that's passing through P is actually equals to 2E. And that takes a period to move through. So what we will have is therefore that will give us the current 2 times 10. The charge of one electron is E is 1.6 times 10 to the power minus 19. Again here, I do not consider the negative sign because I'm simply taking a magnitude. And for one full orbit, the time taken is 1.0 times 10 to the power of minus 15 seconds. And that will give me my current, which is 3.2 times 10 to the power minus 4 ampere. And that is the answer. Done.